Sorry, attorney. Ano ka, tanga o nagtatanga-tangahan?
Siyempre, patay na siya. Paano nung papakita yun unless binuhay mo?
Yung patay, kaya mong buhayin. Attorney Gascon, ulit yung tanong ko, yung patay, kaya mong buhayin, although not literally, figuratively. Paano mo nagawa yun at bakit mo ginawa?
Your Honor, I didn't do any or do anything that resurrecting any dead, Your Honor.
You did not.
Yes, Your Honor.
I have here a copy of the release and quit claim, which was notarized by you, dated June 29, 2009. Right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ikaw nag-notarize na ito?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Do you have a copy?
Get a copy. Maluwang ba yung kulungan pa dyan sa baba? Meron pa bang bakante?
Wala. Marami pa.
Anong tawag niya? Pag kinukontem?
Yes, I have, Your Honor. I have a copy.
You have. Lifiel I. Marikit, isa sa mga pumirma sa release and quit claim na kung saan ninotarize mo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Si Marikit ay patay na. Nung time na pumirma siya rito.
I have no knowledge, Your Honor, during the time that he was dead or he was already dead, Your
You
Honor.
have no knowledge.
Yeah.
Paano ka ba nag-notarize? Ano yung proseso ng pag-notarize?
Of course, Your Honor, you have to verify the the identities of the
And how do you verify the
by
identity?
showing their IDs, Your Honor.
No, didn't they appear to you personally?
These
Or you authorized?
these two persons, Your Honor, did not appear to me personally.
Well then, yun ang problema. Kasi yan ang pinaka number one requirement na pag merong isang tao nagpapanotarize sa iyo, he or she should be present in front of you and verify his or her identification, compare that identification pictures and all doon sa kaharap mo.
That's correct, Your Honor.
And you did not do that.
I put it in my notes, Your Honor, in my notarial book, Your Honor.
No. Sabi mo kasi wala ka knowledge at hindi siya sumipot. Sumipot ba siya o hindi?
Hindi po siya sumipot, Your Honor.
Then bakit mo dinotarize na hindi pala siya sumipot? Ang pinakita lang sa iyo, dokumento, and all these people here, not only Marikit, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them did not appear before you. And you just, binigyan ka lang itong dokumento na pirmado na and then pumirma ka na lang.
No, Your Honor. They personally appeared to me, Your Honor, except only the two, Your Honor.
Except,
Lidsel
then dapat hindi mo tinuloy yung pag-notarize or binura mo siya.
You shouldn't have included the names of the two persons who did not appear to you personally.
It's a pre-forma, Your Honor, when it was given to me. And then
Excuse me?
it's a pre-forma, Your Honor. It's the documents are already prepared when it was presented to me, Your Honor.
Then dapat binura mo o dinilit mo, inalis mo yung dalawa na wala sa harap mo. Yun yung pinaka-basic eh. Attorney.
Yeah,
No,
but-
attorney.
yeah,
Otherwise,
I know, Your Honor, but
baka masampang ka ng disbarment.
I included it, Your Honor, in my notarial book, where in fact it is dated 2009. I clearly state that non-appearance of Lidfield Maratan
Kaya,
Peterson.
Attorney Lazaro, Attorney Gascon, very basic yan eh, pag notarize eh. Di ba? Yung nagpapanotarize, kailangan nandyan sa harap mo at kompletos ng mga identification para i-compare mo yung ID na presenta sa iyo at yung mga picture doon, tumutugma doon sa kaharap mo. Now, kung wala doon, yung dalawa, hindi nag-appear sa iyo, then dapat tinanggal mo itong pangalan ng dalawa. Sabi ko nga sa iyo, pwede ka ma-disbar dito. Pwede ka ma-disbar. And you know that. Kaya tinawag kitang Lazaro kasi ayaw mong buhayin yung patay. Patay na to eh, matagal na patay, binuhay mo.
I used to be a notary, Senator Tulfo. I ceased because the responsibility is huge and I didn't want to get in trouble. May I ask directly, Attorney Gascon, regardless of what you put in your notes, nag-certify ka pumirma ka and I will read the acknowledgement. Before me, in this and that jurisdiction on this date, personally appeared the following. Diba? Who presented to me the following IDs and who acknowledged to me that this document consisting of X pages entitled blah is of their free and voluntary act indeed. But the beginning of any acknowledgement is always before me, personally appeared. Regardless of what you put in your notes, they did not personally appear. They could not because they already passed, as Senator Tulfo pointed out.
Your Honor, there is an acknowledgement part of the agreement, Your Honor, where in fact, in that acknowledgement, I clearly stated that only all those who appeared to me are present. Where in fact, I put it in the last part that please see ID, and all the IDs that only appeared to me are the one who were attached in there, Your Honor. So that's why I maintain that these two persons, when they came to me, because there are so many of them, Your Honor, I think there are 6 of them, and the 2 of them are not present. And then I clearly put it in the last page that please see ID of only those persons who appeared to me, Your Honor.
Sang batas nakalagay yan, attorney? Sorry, I'm not familiar. I also took my oath as a notary. Well, I'm not familiar unless may bagong pinasa ang Korte Suprema na exemption yon sa before me personally appeared. That you can put in your notes that 2 did not and refer to their IDs. May I know the legal basis, if any, so that I may be educated as well?
I just base, Your Honor, on the rules notarial practice that person who appears to you, or you could notarize it on the other persons who appeared to you, Your Honor. Those who acknowledge to you that they signed the documents, that is only my basis, Your Honor. So in good faith, Your Honor, when they appeared to me, I clearly stated not only in the acknowledgement portion that these only the persons that appeared to me, but I also put it in my notarial book that these are all the persons that appeared to me. And these 2 persons did not appear to me, Your Honor.
So you're not attesting to the fact that they signed that document, those 2 persons?
Yes, Your Honor.
And yet, you as the corporate counsel facilitated the registration of that document so that a new TCT will be issued in favor of the company you're working for, despite your personal knowledge that 2 of the 6 most likely did not sign voluntarily, willingly, or even were alive at that time. And yet, that document was used to register your ownership over the subject property. Paano nang, if you admitted earlier na hindi nga sila kasama, yung 2 sa 6 hindi kasama, ba't yung ginamit yung dokumento yun para i-register yung interest at pagmamayari ng DMCA Property Holdings Inc.?
Attorney Gascon, dito sa acknowledgement sa pag-notarize mo, so umpisa pa lang sabi rito, before me, a notary public for and in the above jurisdiction this June 29, 2009, tapos at Makati City, personally appeared for the second time. Pero sabi mo, hindi nag-appear. So, dito, nanumpa ka, nilagay mo yung pangalan mo, pumirma ka, sinasabi mo na personally appeared, and yet hindi pala. So, dapat madisbar ka.
Senator, again, what I'm referring only is the 2 person, Your Honor, but the...
Kaya nga, di ba? 2 hindi nag-appear. Dito, sinabi mo na personally appeared. Yan o, ikot-ikot tayo rito, hindi tayo matatapos. Personally appeared. Lawyer ka, what does it mean? Ano ibig sabihin ng personally appeared? Itagalog mo.
Personal po silang humarap sa akin.
Exactly. So personal na humarap ba yung 2? Lalo na itong si Marikit? Hindi. Dahil patay na eh.
Yes, Your Honor, I acknowledge that fact, Your Honor.
Na hindi siya umappear.
Yeah, the 2, Your
O
Honor.
bakit mo ninotarize? Wala pala sa harap mo ito si Marikit at yung isa pa. Sana hindi mo ninotarize. Sana pinatanggal mo yung pangalan o pinaulit mo. Sabi mo, baguhin nyo yan, tanggalin yung 2 wala rito. Next time, pag nagpresenta kayo ng dokumento, paharap nyo lahat with all the IDs.
Again, Your Honor, in good faith during that time, I just based on the notarial rule that you could not notarize a document to the extent of the person that you only to the extent of the person who appeared to you, Your Honor.
Sorry, attorney. Ano ka, tanga o nagtatanga-tangahan? Then you know that na pwede ka ma-disbar because of this. You know that, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, dahil lang sa isang pirma o dalawang pirma, madidisbar ka, napakababaw na disbarment case yan. Because of 2 signatures, madidisbar ang isang attorney Basilio D. Gascon Jr. And you know that. Right? Okay, and you keep saying, in good faith. Ando na tayo, maybe in good faith. Pero yung in good faith na reason na binibigay mo, it just shows na talagang meron kang ginawang glaring violation. Kahit na baliktad-baliktad natin. Sa kanong kadahilanan, alam mo na yon. You and me know.
Siyempre, patay na siya. Paano nung papakita yun unless binuhay mo? So, katulad yan tinanong ni Senator Tulfo, why did you still sign that notary na hindi sumipot yung dalawa? You should have deleted it from your, from the list.
Your Honor, I have said in good faith, I just based on the notarial rules that a notary public can notarize a document.
Kasi may pirma pa yung marikit tsaka yung talam eh. May pirma pa eh. How did you know that these were genuine signatures?
They're not the one who signed it, Your Honor.
Who's the one who signed it?
Your Honor, can I explain?
Patay na eh. Yan.
During that time, Your Honor, it's way back in 2008. As far as I can remember, I think the one who signed that is one of their correspondent. And then
Did you allow yourself to sign your notary na alam mo na hindi yung taong pumirma, iba pumirma doon
during
sa
that
pangalan?
time, Your Honor, I really object to that. But since
Oh, why did you sign if you objected to it? Why did you sign it if you objected to it right away?
Your Honor, I have said that I only what you said, I only allowed that.
You did it in good faith. How did you do it in good faith when in fact you knew earlier that that was not the signature of Marikit, and you knew, ikaw lang nagsabi ngayon na iba ang pumirma doon.
Yes, Your Honor, because Your Honor, during that time, as I have remembered, together with their counsel, they said that these 2 persons are not already important to the case, and during that time they are already in rush of what you call this in settling the case, and then that's why, Your Honor, in good faith, I only acknowledge all those persons who personally appeared to me, Your Honor, and that is Nelia Bernadas, Lilio Rebueno, and all the other co-defendants, Your Honor.
You know what? I do not want to berate you any further. No? You just mentioned earlier that these were not the signatures of these 2 persons. Itong si Marikit, tsaka itong si Talam. Abogado ka, Atty. Gascon. Dapat tinanggal mo na. If these 2 are irrelevant to the cases, you should have deleted it. Oh, irrelevant na pala yan. Wala, kumbaga irrelevant, wala nang bilang. Di ba? Tama? Dapat tinanggal mo na.
Alam mo na wala siya doon, na-acknowledge mo, yun yung isang pagkakamali mo, dinugtungan mo pa na isang pagkakamali, alam mo na yung signature dyan ay hindi siya ang pumirma, meaning si Marikit. You acknowledge na it is not her signature and somebody forged her signature, and you allow that to happen by affirming your signature here. Dito sa quit claim na ito, dalawa ang pagkakamali mo. And you're still going to use that word, I do it in good faith. That reason will not be accepted by the Supreme Court if a case of disbarment will be filed against you. Kaya nga magikero ka, kaya sabi kanina, pabiro na dapat ang apelyido mo, Lazaro. Yung patay, nabubuhay sa'yo.